Good afternoon, my dears. So, hope you are good. So far, we have seen about the grammar sections. We have seen voices, tenses, a reported speech, inversion condition class, then conditional class. Then, what is this next one? We have kinds of sentences, that is simple, common, complex. The basic structure of those things we have seen so far. And today we will deal with another important thing, it is respond to add. What is the topic? It is respond to add. So this respond to add carries 5 marks, right? This will come in the 5 marks. Question number 44 or 45, this question may come, right? So this is an easy way to get 5 marks, and I want you to listen properly, right, my dears? Fine. So how the questions will be asked? The questions will be asked in a box, first of all, right? So what it is given here? System analyst, wanted system analyst, well qualified experienced system analyst is needed immediately. Apply with the 2 passport size photos and curriculum vitae within 7 days. MBS systems, Broadway, Chennai. Or wanted site engineers, qualification master degree in civil engineers, experience will be considered to address. And then data entry operator qualification, wanted qualification, and then what is this? Address. And the last one we have teachers for all the subjects, right? And then address. And here also security post, okay, qualification for that one, and then address. So if a question like this is asked, you have to keep in mind 3 important things. One is what the job requirement is all for. So if you see this exercise 5, the job it is for system analyst, right? And in the 6th exercise, it is for site engineers. Here it is for data entry operator. Here it is for security, and here it is for teachers. So if you see the question itself, you can easily understand what the thing is all about, or what the wanted it is for all, right? And definitely they would have given qualification. What are the required qualification for the concern wanted? See here, system analysis needed. Here master in civil engineer. Here typing computers. Here B certificate in the NCC or ex-serviceman. Here PG teachers, I mean MSc or MA. So definitely the qualification will be given. And the third one, it is to address is very important. What is it called? To address. See, to address, here also to address, and here also stands for to address, right, my dears? So these 3 things will be definitely given in the question paper. One is what the wanted is all for, and qualification, and then to whom it has to be sent, right? Okay. So now how we need to write this thing, how we need to respond to the ad. This is said to be ad, right? Advertisement, no, ad. How you have to write? I think you have heard about a term called a curriculum vitae or biodata. When you appear for a new job, they'll ask about a biodata regarding yourself, right? How much talent you are, what's your education qualification, where you studied, all those things which you will carry. So how you have to write this one? That is the answer, right? Okay, we will move on to the next thing. Okay, fine, yes. See, this is the letter format for the respond to add. This is an easy way to write it. Okay. First of all, you are supposed to write from address. So from address, if the question paper carries any name, then you have to write that name. Otherwise, make it as XXX and YYY for the place. And then to address. So what is the to address? To whom the address has to be sent. That one carries here. Right? You don't write a little simply dash, right? What the address take, for example, if it is given over here, see, if for this, it asks means Verma promoters, number 225, Outer Ring Road, Bangalore. So that it has to come over here. Right? Next important thing it is salutation. What is it called? Salutation. What is means sir, respected sir, salutation, right? And it is must to write subject as well reference. Subject as well reference. So what is the subject is all about? So in subject, don't write blah blah. No, you have to write only application for the post of. What is it? Application for the post of so and so. Take for example, if for it is English teacher means you can write application for the post of English teacher and then a small hyphen, then regarding. Make a full stop. Then reference, where you have seen this advertisement. That's what your advertisement in the Hindu, the Dinatandi, the Dinakaran, like that you can go for the Deccan Chronicle. And dated, you have to put the date. Make it very clear dear. After writing the dated, do not use the preposition on, right? Take for example dated on 26. No, it is wrong. Dated 26 to 2019 or 20. Such a thing you have to write. So this is the exact thing you want to write it. One is application for the post of your advertisement in dash, right? Then come to the body of the letter. What is this body of the letter? The body of the letter stands for, you have to write the same with reference to your advertisement. Where you have seen the advertisement, what you are writing here, the same should carries over here also. Here if you are writing your advertisement in the Hindu means with reference to advertisement in Hindu dated, what date you have written here, that you have written. I wish to offer my service as a, for what post you are applying, that you will be already written over here. Write it same here. In your, if it is for company, write the company. If it is school, you can write over here school, right? Or if it is industry, you can write in your industry. I have given below my biodata. If I am appointed, I assure you, sir, that I will discharge my duties in an exemplary manner. This thing has to be there, right? This is exactly, it has to be there on the body of the letter, right? So thanking you, and then you have to write it over here. Yours truly faithfully. The next page carries over biodata. See, biodata, nearly some 10 particulars has to be there. What is that? 10 particulars. So right from address till thanking you, you want to write only in a single page. Biodata should start at the next fresh page. Do not follow in the half of the page or at the end of the page. No, biodata has to be there only in the fresh page, right? First of all, you have to write name, then father's name, then postal address. If any postal address, you can write anything, but do not mention the district, right? Instead of this one, you can write gender, male or female, then age and date of birth, then education qualification, then experience, salary expected, and then reference, my previous employer, and then finally you have to write address on the envelope. Okay, here two things are missed. One is, what is it, we call it as place and date. So place and date you can write over here, otherwise place date. Place means what? Y. Date, the when you are writing the test, that date you have to write. So place and date alone carries 1 mark. So you can write the place and date either opposite to the from address, otherwise you are writing a thanking you, yours truly, to the left side here. Okay, so these two things you can, one you can write over here, otherwise go over here. But place and date, it is must, because place and date alone carries 1 mark for this, right? So after completing this one, you want to write declaration, right? After this class, I'll send you one model, right? Follow that one, right? Follow that one. What are things exactly has to be there, that you have to write it as a test for the next class. Next test, your next test also, at that time you have to write this, respond to it as a test. Okay, my dear. So is there any doubt? Means you can come to the WhatsApp, otherwise make a call to clarify your doubts. So this is all about the respond to ad. Okay my dears, hope you understood. See you in the next class.